In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Facebook ads report in just 5 minutes. Navigating the digital waters of Facebook's advertising platform can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when it comes down to tracking and analyzing your marketing performance. Fortunately, pulling a report from Facebook Ads Manager is a straightforward process that can give you tons of insightful data to help optimize your campaigns. Let's dive in. First up, you'll want to head over to the Facebook Business Manager. This is the command center for all your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. It's where you can oversee your ad accounts, pages, and the people who work on them. So getting comfortable with navigating through Business Manager is key to managing your Facebook ad efforts effectively. Once you're on the Facebook Business Manager page, you'll spot a button prompting you to log in with Facebook. Click on this to proceed. It makes sense that you need to be logged into your Facebook account to access this information, ensuring that your advertising data is kept secure and private. After logging in, choose the appropriate account associated with the ads you want to report on. If you're handling multiple ad accounts, it's crucial to select the right one to ensure you're pulling data for the correct campaigns. It's a simple step, but one that sets the stage for the accuracy of the insights you're about to gather. Following your account selection, look towards the lower left panel of your screen. There should be an option labeled Ads Clicking. This will take you closer to your destination. This part of the process emphasizes the organized nature of Facebook's Business Manager, making it easier for users to navigate through the different sections dedicated to ads, pages, and more. Once you've clicked on ads, the next move is to proceed by selecting Ads Manager. This is essentially your dashboard for everything related to your advertisements. It's where all the magic happens, from creating and launching new ad campaigns to analyzing their performance. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter. You'll need to navigate to campaigns. This area is where all your advertising efforts are neatly organized into respective campaigns, making it a breeze to select the one you wish to analyze. Selecting the correct campaign is pivotal, as each campaign holds unique ads, settings, and performance metrics. Next, within your chosen campaign, click on Ads. This action drills down further into the specific advertisements that make up your campaign. It's at this level that you can start to see individual ad performances, making it a critical step for those looking to get detailed insights into their advertising efforts. After identifying the campaign and its constituent ads, it's time to select the ads you want to report on. You'll see checkboxes next to each ad. Simply check the box of the campaign or specific ads you're interested in. This selection process allows for customizable reporting, giving you the flexibility to pull data for an entire campaign or hone in on specific ads. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, downloading your report. Look towards the upper right of your screen and you'll see a download icon. Clicking this prepares your data for export, but you're not quite done yet. It's the preliminary step before specifying exactly how you want your data packaged. Lastly, you'll click on Export Table Data. This is where you finalize the format and the details of the report you're about to download. Whether you need a quick overview or a deep dive into metrics, this step ensures that you receive your data exactly how you need it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have successfully pulled a report from Facebook Ads Manager. Such reports are invaluable for understanding your ad performance, audience engagement, and ultimately for making data-driven decisions that can enhance your overall marketing strategy. Remember, the data you collect is only as powerful as the insights you draw from it, so take your time to analyze it thoroughly. And that wraps up our guide on how to get a Facebook ads report. Whether you're fine-tuning your existing campaigns or planning new ones, these insights are your best friend. Keep experimenting, analyzing, and optimizing, and you'll be sure to see your Facebook advertising efforts go from strength to strength. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital presence effectively.